Now keep going ahead. End of the road, turn left, please. Because you did few circle with the guidance, this is independent. Okay, now these are independent turns now. I just want to see how you're going to do it properly, so we fix these faults and achieve our goal today. Okay, and then take next road on your left.
Again I go left.
Yes, left. Just want to see a few right turns, and when you do them properly, then this means we are okay. Okay, this is fine. Look how your position. Your car is going towards this car. You're not coming here on my side. There's no one here. That's why I brake for you.
One car.
No, there is one car, but you need to be in middle. Your car is pointing like this. You're going this way. You need to come
when
here.
I came here, so now I turn in the left side.
Look at the position. Your car is going towards the car, so you need to steer like this.
Yeah. So when I came here,
Yes.
now I turn in with the...
You need to be straight, and you need to be in middle, okay? Remember your position. You need to be in middle. Fine. Keep going. At the crossroad, turn right, please. Because we need to fix these faults, then I can take you on bigger roads. Okay, so we're turning right here. Your signal is fine, and your observation okay. I just want to see your ladder now, okay? So look, assess, decide, and act. I just want to look that now. Okay. End of the road, right, please. Good. Observation fine. PSL fine. And now.
The one is closed junction.
Okay.
So I need.
Are you looking? Are you assessing?
In the proper way, because it's very close junction.
Is your decision okay? That's fine. This is okay. I think you did really well. All these right turns, you did them independently, and you achieved your goal. So now we're gonna go ahead, and we're gonna go on a faster road, and then we're gonna go to the Asda to do our reverse pay parking. Okay, now keep going ahead. You did the minors road, okay, so I'm gonna take you on major road. I just want to see how you're gonna do these major roads, so then we start our maneuvers. Okay, keep going ahead. End of the road, turn left. Position. You need to be angle in this corner, nice and slow, very very slow. Check on your right. You know, once coming fine, then we go. Keep you on the left. Remember, don't take right turns. Okay, right turn mean don't go in their lane. Now we're gonna go ahead. Keep going ahead.
No, next speed is 40.
Yes, we remain in middle. Do the speed you are in control. Okay. Going. Just keep the car in middle. This is fine, absolutely okay. Just look at your lane, so you always keep your car in middle. a small
Yeah,
bend. It's fine.
it's
Small
small.
bend. Yeah. Keep your hand
Oh,
here.
there is
Just keep
50 speed.
Keep your hand here. That's
Yeah.
it. And now go. Little bit to the right. It's fine. When you see bends, then ease off. Okay.
Okay.
Like that bend we can't see, so we reduce early. But keep going, keep going, keep going. Little bit to the right and keep going. Yeah, keep going ahead. We approaching roundabout soon. On roundabout, we're gonna go ahead. Second exit.
Okay.
So where you gonna stay or to go ahead for the lane position?
In the corner.
On the left.
Left.
Left lane.
Yeah, yeah, left.
To
left.
go ahead,
Outer circle.
to go ahead, we remain on the left. After the first exit, we signal left and then we exit the roundabout. This is roundabout, so slow down. Ease off, reduce your speed, nice and slow, because we're gonna check on your right. Keep your nice and slow on the left, because we're gonna go ahead. So slow down, come on the left, check properly, and then go on the roundabout. Go, keep you on the left. We go around there. Outer circle, outer. More to the right. We don't wanna hit the curb. Signal left, and go. Good. Signal off. Next roundabout, we are going ahead. Second exit. There's 2 lane. We remain on the left. Okay.
Second exit.
We remain on the left. After first exit, we signal left and then we exit the roundabout. So we're gonna remain on the left lane. This is left lane, and we're gonna stop here. Look at the black car. He's coming, so we stop for him. He's coming. Here, okay. Look again, and then go. Keep your car on the left here. Left.
Yeah.
There's 2 lanes, okay? Left, keep going round. Signal left and go. Keep you on the left. Now check your right mirror, because they're merging with you. Look again, signal off. Keep going ahead. Speed here is 30. So 26, 27 is fine here, okay?
Okay.
Speed here is 20. It's 30, sorry. Okay? This speed is okay, so you can see what you're doing. If you go really fast on 30 road, you will lose control and you will never assess properly. For the good assessment, speed should be good. Speed is 30, so do 26, 27. Okay?
Or 25.
Yeah, 25. The speed that you are in control. That's fine. So safe speed, good control. Okay?